Hi friends, good morning. Last lecture of the chapter complex compound. Uses of complex compound or applications of complex compound. So in our daily life there are so many plants, animals, drugs. We are having not seen particular which type of complex compound is used, but when we see the color of any plant, of any solution, one question will be definitely arise in our mind that this solution may be prepared or there is the presence of complex compound. So complex compound are widely used in our daily life, in plants, in animals, to prepare different type of drugs. So I have sought out some simple short alphabets method or equation by which you can remember so many uses of complex compound. Myself Ajay sir from Samved School. I welcome all of you. So I have written over here MNOPA. MNOPA means what? Mineral nutrition of plants and animals. Complex compound are used as a mineral nutrition of plants and animals. Then second one is MBID, metallurgy, biological system, industries and drugs. So complex compounds are used in metallurgy, biological industries or biological system, industries and drugs. So drugs are prepared with the help of complex compound. Second one, QQMAC, qualitative and quantitative analysis of chemical industry or in chemical industry, and due to ligand we have proved that in presence of ligand color is seen. So color, to identify the color in any solution, in any substance, we can predict that there must be presence of complex compound. Then THW, titration with hard water. Softness or hardness of water can be examined by sodium EDTA, Na2 EDTA. Presence of Ca2 plus and Mg2 plus can be analyzed by the Na2 EDTA, and we can understand why water is soft, why water is hard. We can remove the hardness of water by reacting with Na2 EDTA, with sodium, with magnesium and calcium. So it is used, Na2 EDTA is used to make hard water to soft water. Then silver cyanide and gold cyanide is the complex compound, Ag Cn twice minus, AuCN twice minus. It is the complex compound with silver and gold. Want to purify the silver and gold? If we add zinc, zinc will make the coordination bond with cyanide, and silver and gold, Ag and Au will be released, so we can get pure silver and pure gold by forming complex compound with cyanide, and by adding zinc we will get back Au and Ag. It is the use of complex compound. Successive decomposition. If nickel carbonyl is complex compound and want to get nickel as a pure metal, the reaction is successive decomposition reaction. With the help of successive decomposition reaction from nickel carbonyl complex compound, we can get back nickel metal. Wilkinson catalyst, it is rhodium complex which is obtained by dehydration of alkane, is used as a catalyst in many chemical reactions. Electroplating method of silver and gold. We have seen so many ornaments are not of silver or not of gold. It is simple cheap metal. We can make that metal to electroplating of silver and gold, and it can be look like silver and gold. To make electroplating of silver and gold, many statues are available in electroplating format of silver and gold. That is not pure silver and gold, but it is simple electroplating on the metal, and that is due to complex compound. Film stabilized by washing with solution hyposodium thiosulfate. In early time, you have seen in so many movies that negatives are added in simple solution, that is silver bromide, and film will be clearly seen on picture, will be clearly seen on negative, and that negative will be taken to paper, and we are having photograph. It is now digital system. We can take photograph in mobile. We are taking also. Selfie is the craze of youngster. So many hazards is done due to selfie craze in youngster. Take care of you. Don't take selfie at hazardous place. In early time, that was the method to take the photograph in paper, and solution of that is the silver bromide, that is stable solution, and we are having the negative on picture on negative. It is due to hypothiosulfate. Chemical chemistry or medical chemistry, we are seeing the so many type of disease in plants, and some drugs are available to remove disease present on the plants. Generally lead, it is to be said lead, Pb also, it is poisonous for the plants, and effect of poisonous can be removed with the help of complex compound. So these are the uses of complex compound. You are having the formula and you are having my video lecture. Kindly revise, kindly repeat. We are finishing this chapter today. So many lectures we have taken. Now we will start JEE NEET of different chapter which we have already completed. Again repeating MNOPA, mineral nutrition of plants and animals, MBID, metallurgy, biological system, industries, drugs, QQMSC, qualitative and quantitative methods in chemical analysis. Color is due to the ligand. Titration of hard water can be made by Na2EDTA, can be see the presence of Ca and Mg2 plus. SgW, silver and gold, can be obtained by the cyanide compound by adding the zinc. Successive decomposition method to get pure nickel, it is nickel purification method. Wilkinson catalyst is used to dehydration of alkane. Electroplating on silver, electroplating of silver and gold on the statue. Film stabilized by washing with solution hypo, that is the sodium thiosulfate. Silver bromide solution is used to show the film. Medical chemistry, poisonous effect is done on the plants. We can remove by use of complex compound. Lead is the poisonous on plants. We can easily diagnostic the plants and can remove lead presence on the plants. So we have completed this chapter. Thank you very much.